Hi, sweeties.
Hello, teacher.
We've got Beltran. And how are you today? Okay. Okay, so today we're going to look at TOEFL Book 2 and Step 2, Book 3. We've got Mintran and we've got Beltran. Okay. And we're going to go to Unit 4. And there's B as well. Okay, Unit 4, let's go down. Hi, B. B, can you hear us? B, you need to unmute.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, let's read the words together. Air pollution.
Air pollution.
We all have to say the word.
Air
Air
pollution.
pollution.
Air pollution.
Air
pollution. Air pressure. Air pollution. Drought.
Dust storm.
Dust storm. Dust
Ice.
storm.
Oh, B, you need
Ice
to.
storms.
Okay. Temperate. Temperate.
Temperate.
Thunderstorm.
Temperate.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Good.
Thunderstorm.
Humid.
Humid.
Humid. B, we can't hear you. B, we can't hear you.
Yeah.
You need to read with us, B. Humid. B, are you there?
Humid.
Hail.
Humid.
Hail.
Hail.
Climate.
Climate.
Current.
Current.
Humidity.
Humidity.
Forecast.
Forecast.
Typhoon. Typhoon.
Typhoon.
Vapor.
Vapor.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Snowfall.
Snowfall.
Smog.
Smoke.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Okay, air pollution. Let's have a look at the Vietnam name. Onium Conky. Air pollution. Air pressure. Can you read this word for me?
Áp suất không khí. Áp suất không khí.
Drought.
Hạn hán.
Dust storm. Ice storm.
Bão tuyết.
Temperate. Okay, we don't have temperate there. Thunderstorm. Let's have a thunderstorm. Humid.
Ướt.
Hail.
Kéo.
Climate.
Khí hậu.
Current.
Thời tiết. Thiên
Thiên
tai.
tài.
Humidity.
Độ ẩm.
Độ ẩm.
Forecast.
Dự báo thời tiết.
Typhoon. B, can you hear us now?
Bão
Bão nhiệt
bão
đới.
nhiệt đới.
Bão nhiệt đới.
Vapor.
Vapor hối nước.
Hối nước.
Like that. Vapor.
Bão
Sandstorm.
Bão
Bão
Snowfall.
tuyệt rơi.
snowfall tuyệt rơi.
Smog.
Khói bụi.
bụi.
Sunrise.
Bình minh.
Bình minh.
Sunset.
Hoàng hôn.
Hôn.
Okay. Let's have a look at the words. Okay, let's have a look at the words. Sunset. Bao Tran or Minh Tran. Do you know what sunset means? What does sunset mean?
Sunset means when the sun goes down.
Yes, sunset, when the sun goes down. When the sun goes down, it's sunset. What about sunrise?
When the sun goes up.
When the sun comes up, yes. Smog. Smog is like fog. It's foggy
Froggy.
or it's hazy. Haze or smoke. That's fog. Snowfall.
Yes.
When it
Snowfall.
snows.
When it snows.
When it snows. Sandstorm. A strong wind
Storm
which
wind
carries fine sand.
some sand.
Sun.
The sandstorm. Vapor is a substance in the air. Liquid. It's vapor.
Liquid. Vapor.
Typhoon. Tropical
Typhoon.
storm.
Tropical storm.
Forecast. To predict the weather. Forecast. Humidity is how it feels now. How the air feels. How it feels now when it's humidity. Climate is the weather conditions
Weather
in
condition.
an area.
In area.
Hail is frozen rain.
Hail.
In
Frozen rain.
Okay.
Frozen rain.
Let's have a look at
Humid.
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 Humid is
Humid.
high level of water vapor in the air. That's humid.
Yeah.
The level of
Thunderstorm.
water.
A violent, short weather
A
disturbance
violence start weather
with
dies
lightning and
with
thunder.
lightning and thunder.
Temperate.
Temperature. Nhiệt đới.
Region of mild
Temperature.
ice storm.
Ice storm is ice storm
A storm
of
storm
freezing rain.
of freezing rain that leaves a coat of ice. Dust storm, a strong wind which carries fine dust.
Dust.
Drought. Drought means very dry.
Very dry.
Air pressure. The air has weight and it presses against everything it touches. That's air pressure. Air population, a substance in the air that is harmful. Air pollution. It's something that makes the air dirty.
Yes.
Something that makes the air dirty. Okay. Okay, let's read the words again. Air pollution.
Air pollution.
Air pressure.
Air pressure.
Drought.
Drought.
Dust storm.
Dust storm.
Ice storm.
Ice storm.
Temperate.
Temperate.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Humid.
Humid.
Hail.
Hail.
Climate.
Climate.
Current.
Current.
Good. Humidity.
Humidity.
Forecast.
Forecast.
Typhoon.
Typhoon.
Vapor.
Vapor.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Snowfall.
Snowfall.
Smog.
Smog.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Sunset. Okay, good. All right. Now we are going to go down to listening. Okay, let's go down to listening now. Okay, from part 3, we will do listening, okay? Here. Okay. Let's say here, bad one. Okay, let's have a look here. We'll do listening part 3. From part 3. Let's see, go up here. Part 3 and 4. Okay, part 3 and part 4. Okay. All right, let's go up here. Now we're going to do listening from part 3, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me just get the listening here. Okay. Now I'm going to play the listening. Now, you have to look very carefully and listen, okay? So we're going to stop it. And as soon as we stop it, I want you to listen what we are listening for. Now, we have to look for keywords. Why did Mrs. Blooming call? We're going to look for keywords now. To remind Howard about sports day, remind him that there is going to be a sports day. To inform Howard of tomorrow's schedule change, that there's a change in the schedule, or to tell Howard to attend the meeting, to come to a meeting. Okay, let's do here, unit 4. Let's go. Okay, here.
Up and search for some clothes that they're telling us to wait, but nobody. It's Patricia. Number 2. Listen to the call. But I will let you know how hard you work tomorrow. So, due to the heavy rain, listen to the phone message. Hi, Howard. This is Mrs. Blooming. Due to the heavy rain, our sports day has been postponed. Regular classes will be held tomorrow, so please be ready for all of your classes. It's very unfortunate since I know how hard you work to organize this event with others. I'm not sure about the new date for the sports day, but I will let you know as soon as I find out in the teachers' meeting. Why did Mrs. Blooming call? A. To remind Howard about the sports day. B. To inform Howard of tomorrow's schedule change. C. To tell Howard to attend the meeting.
Okay, Mentran, what do you think? Why did Mrs. Blooming call?
Is letter A.
Okay, let's
Who
go.
wrote
Okay.
about the sport day?
Listen to the phone message.
Listen.
Hi, Howard. This is Mrs. Blooming. Due to the heavy rain, our sports day has been postponed.
Due to heavy rain, our sports day
Will be
has been postponed. Okay. Postponed. Postponed means cancelled. Not cancelled. We're going to do it a different day. Listen.
Regular classes will be held tomorrow, so please be ready for all of your classes.
Okay, so please be ready for all of your classes tomorrow. I don't know the new date of the sports day. Okay, that's what she's telling him. I don't know the new date of the sports day. Okay. Postponed. Okay, postponed means later. They will do it later. Course of arrangements are something that will take place later. Okay, now Mentran, why do you think she called? Did she remind him about the sports day? Did she inform Howard of tomorrow's schedule change, or did she tell Howard to attend the meeting?
Letter A.
Did she remind him? Look here, she said to him.
Yes.
She said to him, our sports day has been postponed. Postponed, and then she said to him, be ready for your classes tomorrow. So there's no sports day tomorrow. It's been postponed. What does postponed mean? Postponed means cancelled, to be held later, another day. So not tomorrow, because of the heavy rain. We won't have sport day tomorrow. It's been cancelled due to heavy rain and will be held later, another day. So tomorrow you must be ready for classes. So she didn't remind him about sports day. She didn't tell him to come to a meeting. So what do you think the answer is? Bautran, can you help?
please. So B.
It's B. To inform how of tomorrow's schedule change. You are not going to have sports day. You are going to have classes tomorrow. So there's a change coming. Okay, let's try this one. Why did Patricia call? Let's listen.
It's very unfortunate since teachers' meeting. To inform Howard of tomorrow. Number 2. Listen to the phone message.
Listen carefully.
Hi, Mom. It's Patricia. I am stuck at the airport now. My plane has been delayed because of the snowstorm, and I don't know when we are leaving. Operators are telling us to wait, but nobody is telling us how long we have to stay here. I know it's not safe to fly until the snowstorm stops, but I have a feeling that I might not be able to get home by Christmas Eve. I will call you again soon. I miss you a lot, and I can't wait to see everybody.
Okay, Beltran, why did Patricia call? Did you tell her mother the flight number? Tell her mother about the delayed flight? Or did you tell her mom that what she wants for Christmas?
Let us see.
You need to listen, Beltran. You're not listening. I can hear music. You need to listen, Beltran.
To call. A. To remind Howard or to attend. It's Patricia. I am stuck. Is telling us how long we have to go storm, and I don't know. It's Patricia.
Okay, Beltran, you are writing. There's something talking in the background. You're not listening. You won't get the answer right if you're not concentrating. You need to concentrate, okay? Listen carefully.
I am stuck at the airport now. My plane has been delayed because of the snowstorm, and I don't know when we are leaving. Operators are telling us to wait, but nobody is telling us how long we have to stay here. I know it's not safe to fly until this.
Okay, Beltran, my plane has been delayed because of the snowstorm.
B.
Yes, it's B. My plane has been delayed. You need to listen very carefully for the answer. Okay, let's have a look here.
Snowstorms to see to tell her mom about. Part 4.
Listen and answer the questions. Listen to the
Listen
story about
carefully.
Chris. What are you watching, Dad? Chris asked, sitting next to him on the couch. I'm watching the news about the city that is flooded because of the massive hurricane that struck it last week.
Okay, Mentran, what is the dad watching? What was the news about?
Is letter B.
Yes, I'm watching the news about a city that was flooded due to a hurricane.
It's very sad that about 2,000 people have already died, said his dad. Is there any way we can protect ourselves? Asked Chris. There are some ways, such as building houses, making a shelter, keeping a first aid kit and extra food for an emergency, and practicing some drills for evacuations. However, you cannot stop natural disasters, said his dad. Chris watched people crying on TV because they had lost their homes and did not have enough food and supplies. I feel sorry for them. Is there any way I can help? Asked Chris. Our community center is collecting donated clothes, canned food, and supplies. Let's see what we can find in our house, said his dad. They got up and searched for some clothes that they didn't wear anymore. Chris also found some extra canned food on the shelf. Later that day, Chris and his dad had a box of things to donate. They put the box in the trunk and got in the car. I hope they get through this painful time soon, thought Chris.
Okay, Beltran, what did Chris do to help people who were suffering?
He gave away some food.
Yes, he gave away some food. Good, well done. He gave away some food. Okay, let's go to unit. Let's practice test. Oh, this is unit 4. Then we can do the practice test. Let's do the practice test listening. Okay, let's do the practice test. I'll just write here practice test. Here.
Put the fingers down if you are learning English for a long time but still cannot speak fluently.
This is the listening test of TOEFL primary step. Let's get ready. On this test, each question had
Fill in the correct